So we're still in the developmental phases of our Arduino project. We're going to build an Arduino microcontroller. It won't really be an Arduino. We're going to print it with a PCB board. So I decided I'm going to go with an 18 mega 328 and it's a TQFP, which is a thin quad flat package. So we've got 23 programmable IOs. We've got two 8-bit counters and timers. One 16-bit counter timer. We get 6 power width modulation channels so we can adjust voltage, and 8 analog IO, and they're 10-bit, so we can basically, a little note here to break it down, so if we have a sensor and it's measuring a value based off of voltage and it's 5 volts, that's what we're going to run off of. So from 0 to 5 volts, one step is 4.88 millivolts, so 497 steps would be a value of 2.42 volts. That's kind of how that works in a simple breakdown. Now for our batteries, we're going to use these small little lithium ion batteries. These guys right here. So we're going to use 2 of these in series, which will give us our 6 volt. Well, we need 5 volts, but that's okay. We can run 6 volts will be fine. We're going to run that in, and so this is a general breakdown. We're going to draw it up on our software and get everything together, and I'll show you guys all along the process. But ultimately what it's going to look like, because we're going to have an LCD display, but it's going to actually be a 3D printed, and we're going to display different variables, and the point of it is just going to be to build a microcontroller and something that looks like something you would buy at the store. This doesn't look very good, so we're going to 3D print the case and everything will look nice. Like, you're not going to see these wires. Look professionally done.